I'm going to show you the newest addition to my magical collection. So as you can see, this is my new addition to my magical collection. So I had my eye on this little Niffler for quite some time now. He is created by a fantastic Fauna shop on Etsy, and he is just perfect. Everything about him is homemade. He is posable because he's got metal in his arms and things, so you can actually position him how you'd like. His tail is flexible. He's about 30 centimeters tall, or around 11 inches or so, and he is just beautiful. So he's a mix of fur and polymer clay and glass eyes, and he is just adorable. So as I said, I had my eye on this for quite a while, and my husband knew that, and he ended up getting him for me. So it took a little while because he's made in Russia by Alexander Voron as the artist, and it really only took about 6 weeks, and that was with shipping. And really, I think the longest part of this was the shipping from Russia to the United States. So I have absolutely no complaints about him. He is beyond what I thought he would be, and he even has a little magical pocket in here, and he actually put some candy in here for me, so I thought that was really cute. Let me get it out of here. Yeah, so there was some little candy in there, and then it was really cool because he gave me this envelope. I don't know if you guys can see. Hang on. And inside it says handmade. So in here, he gave this really lovely little care package with some chocolate, which I'm super excited to try because European chocolate is so much better than our chocolate, I think. And then this really cool keychain with a little eye on it. And then a thank you card. So I thought that was really, really sweet. I love that he added those little touches, and I could not be more in love with my little Niffler, and I can't wait to show him in little Instagram posts and things like that. He's just so adorable. So let me give you guys some close-ups of what he looks like. And there you have it, my cute little Niffler that I could not wait to add to my magical collection, and I really couldn't wait to share him with you guys. So I'm going to leave all the links in the description down below to Fantastic Fauna Shop on Etsy, and I'm also going to put all of the Instagram links to Alexander Voron's account on there as well. That's the artist of this beautiful Niffler, and it's absolutely amazing. Go show him some love. Check out his beasts. He's got more than just Nifflers. He's got baby Nifflers, Akami, all kinds of fun stuff. I think he's got the Zulu, all that. So go check out his page, give him some love, and if you guys like this video, give me the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and we will catch you guys later. Thanks so much.